Sri Guru Bhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to learn real numbers exercise 2.6. First one, simplify the following using addition and subtraction properties of shorts. Okay, so we are going to add these numbers. Okay, how to add this? First we have to see this here. See here, root numbers. Okay, this is irrational numbers. First you see here, root 3, root 3, root 3. We have the common root. Okay, so in this case, we have to take it out. Just add or subtract the coefficient alone. Okay, children. See here, 5 plus 18 minus 2 root 3. Because here common root is root 3, just you take it the coefficient alone, 5 plus 18 minus 2. Okay, so 5 plus 18, what you will get children? 23 minus 2 root 3. 23 minus 2, what you will get children? 21 root 3. Do you understand? This is addition or subtraction of properties. Okay. And see the next one, 4 cubic root of 5, 2 cubic root of 5, minus 3 cubic root of 5. Here which is common children? Cubic root of 5. That you take it out, cubic root of 5. And remaining we should write the coefficients here, 4 plus 2 minus 3. Okay, 4 plus 2 what you will get children? 6. 6 minus 3? 3. 3 cubic root of 5. You understand children? See the next one. Three root of 75 plus 5 root of 48 minus root of 243. Here square root is given. Okay. So first you have to divide this, split this number 75. How to divide? How to split this? First you divide, LCM you find it. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15. Okay, then next 48. Divide by 2, you get 24. Again 2, 12. Again 2, 6. Again 2, 3. Okay, next 243. 3, 81. 3, 27, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. So how we are going to write this? 3 root of 75, how we are going to write? 5 into 5 into 3 plus 5 into root of 48, how we are going to write? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 minus 243, how we are going to write? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 3s are there. Okay. Now this is the square root. So out of 2 you take it 1 out. Here 2 5s are there. So 1 5 you take it out. What is remaining? Root 3 plus 5 into this 2 you take it 1 and this square you take it 1 and remaining root 3 is there. Minus here out of 2 3 you take it 1 out. Here 2 3s are there. So take it out. Remaining root 3. So 3 5s are 15 root 3 plus 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20 root 3 minus 3 3s are 9 root 3. Okay. Now here root 3 is common. What is the coefficient? 15 plus 20 minus 9. Okay. So what you will get children? 15 plus 20 you get 35. 35 minus 9 you get 26 root 3. So what is the answer? 26 root 3. Do you understand children? You split it, then find out. 5 cubic root of 40 plus 2 cubic root of 625 minus 3 cubic root of 320. And this also you have to split like this. Okay. So first you take it 40, divide by 2, what you will get? 20. Again by 2, 10. Again by 2, 5. Next, 625. So 5, 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. Sorry, here 1 5s are 5, remaining 12, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So 5, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Next, 320. 160 into 2, you get 320. Divide by 2, 80. Divide by 2, 40. Then divide by 2, 20. Then again divide by 2, you get 10. Then again divide by 2, you will get 2. 5 2s are 10. Now you substitute here 5 into cubic root of, instead of the 40, you can write this 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 plus 2 into cubic root of 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 minus 3 cubic root of, here 1 2 3, you can write it 2 cube into 1 2 3, again one more pair is there, so you can write it 2 cube into 5. Okay, so 5 cubic root means out of 3 you have to take 1 out, so remaining root 5 plus here 2 into, out of 3 you take it 1 out, remaining root 5 minus 3 into, here 2 cube is there, 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. So out of 3 you take it 1 out. Here also one more is there, so take it 2 out. So remaining root 5. So 5 2s are 10 root 5 plus 2 5s are 10 root 5 minus 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 root 5. Okay, here root 5 is common, just you take it the coefficient alone, 10 plus 10 minus 12. Okay, so 10 plus 10 what you will get children? 20. 20 minus 12, 8. So 8 root 5 is the answer. So what is the answer? 8 root 5. Do you understand children? See the next one. Simplify the following using multiplication and division properties of shorts. Okay, so here multiplication and division properties we are going to use. Okay, so multiplication property, what is the multiplication property? Root A into root B equal to root of AB. Okay, here what is that? Root of all the numbers have square root. So common root 3 into 5 into 2. 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30, root 30. Okay, next root 35 divided by root 7. Okay, so root A by root B equal to root of A by B. Okay, so what you will get? Root of 35 by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. So what is the answer? Root 5 is the answer. Do you understand children? See the next one. Cubic root of 27 into cubic root of 8 into cubic root of 5. Okay. So here in 27, how can you split this children? 3 into 3 into 3 into cubic root of 8 2 into 2 into 2 into cubic root of 125, 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. So now you write this. Here cubic root is there. So out of 3 you take it 1 out. So 3 into, here 3 2's are there. So 1 you take it out. Here 3 5's are there. You take it 1 out. Okay. So now what you will get? 3 2's are 6. 6 5's are 30. So what is the answer, children? 30 is the answer. Do you understand? So the next one. 7 root A minus 5 root B into 7 root A plus 5 root B. See here, 7 root A, 7 root A, 5 root B, 5 root B. Only thing, the sign alone differ. So it is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. If it is there, we can use it this, A square minus B square. Here A equal to, what is A here? 7 root A. B equal to 5 root B. Just you substitute here 7 root A the whole square minus 5 root B the whole square. So how can you write it? 7 square you get 49. Root A the whole square. Root A means root A the whole square equal to root A into root A. Root A into root A you will get A. Okay, so 49A minus 5 square 25. 25 root B the whole square you will get B. So what is the answer, children? 49A minus 25B. Okay, children. See the next one. Root of 225 divided by 729 minus root of 25 by 144 divide by 4 by 9. Okay, first we need to simplify the bracket. After that we have to divide with this number. Okay, here square root is given. So square root of 225, what is the answer, children? Square root of 225 equal to 15. You know very well, because how can you split this? 15 into 15. So what is the answer? 15. Square root of 25, you know very well. 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25. So 5 is the answer. Square root of 144. 12 into 12. 12 12s are 144. So 12 is the answer. Which one alone you doesn't know? Root of 729. Just you find out this, divide by 3. 2 3s are 6. Remaining 1 12. 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 81. Divide by 3. 27. Divide by 3. 9. Divide by 3. 3. Okay. Now how many 3s are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. So here what is given? Square root. So pair 2. Out of 2 only we are going to take out. So what you will get? Root of 729 equal to root of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So out of this you take it 1 out. Out of this you take it 1 out. Out of this you take it 1. So what you will get? 27. Now you substitute here. So root of 225, what is the answer? 15 by 27, because 729, square root of 729 is 27, minus square root of 25 5, square root of 144 12, divided by 4 by 9. Okay, now see here 27 12 is there, so we have to take LCM because we are going to subtract. Okay, so the LCM of 27 and 12. Find it here. 27, 12. We are going to find the LCM. So 27, 12. First divide by 3. 9 3s are 27, 4 3s are 12. Now 3, again 3, 3 3s are 9, 4. Again by 3. So 3, 4. Sorry, here 3 1s are. What you will get here? 1. 3 1s are 3, 4. Next 2. 2 2s are 4. Again 2. So 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 2s are 54. 54 2s are 108. So what is the LCM, children? 108. LCM equal to 108. Okay. So now the common denominator is 108. See here, the first term denominator is 27. When you will get 108, if you multiply with the 4 only, you will get 108. So numerator also you want to multiply. Okay. So 4 5s are 20, 0 remaining 2. 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 60. Minus, here 12 is there. Which number you want to multiply, children? Find out through LCM here. 12. Okay. So, what? How to get it? Here 3. 3 4s are 12. See here. This 3 and this 2 alone. You will take it. Okay. So, remaining this is another group. So, 3 into 2 2s are 4. 3 4s are 12. So, 12 into, okay, here 3 3s are 9. Okay. So 12 9s are 108. So here into 9. 5 9s are 45. Divided by 4 by 9. First you simplify this. 60 minus 45 you get 15 by 108 divided by 4 by 9. Here any other simplification is there? 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 6 3s are 18. Okay. So now 5 by 36. Here division is there. Instead of the divisions, I am going to multiply. If we want to multiply, you have to take the reciprocal of the second term. Okay. So the reciprocal of 4 by 9 is 9 by 4. 9 1s are 9. 9 4s are 36. Now you multiply 5 1s are 5. 4 4s are 60. So what is the answer, children? Five by 60. Do you understand, children? I repeat this. First, you have to find out the square root. Okay. Square root of 225 is 15. Square root of 729 is 27. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 144 is 12. Divided by 4 by 9. First, we need to simplify the bracket. Okay. So, here subtraction is given. So, now look at the denominator. Here denominators are different. So, we have to take LCM. So, the LCM of 27 and 12 is 108. Now, I am going to make the denominator as 108. Okay. See, the first term denominator is 27. If I multiply with 4 only, I will get 108. Okay. Once I multiply the denominator, I have to multiply the numerator also. So 15 fours are 60. Okay, so look at the second term. Denominator is 12. So 12 nines are you are getting 108. So 5 nines are 45. Okay, so 60 minus 75, sorry, 60 minus 45 you get 15. 15 by 108 divided by 4 by 9. First you simplify this. Once you simplify what you are getting 5 by 36. Okay, so this divisions I am going to change multiplication. So I have to take the reciprocal. Okay, what I have to do? I have to take the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 4 by 9 is 9 by 4. Okay, now you simplify this. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. Okay, so 5 ones are 5, 4 fours are 16. So what is the answer? 5 by 16. You understand, children? See the next question. If root 2 equal to 1.414, root 3 equal to 1.732, root 5 equal to 2.236, root 10 equal to 3.162. Okay, then find the values of the following correct to 3 places of decimals. Okay, so here the values are given. We are going to use the values in the given questions. Okay, so root 40 minus root 20. First you split this. 40, how can you split this? 4 into 10 minus 20, 2 into 10. Okay, here square root only. So commonly you should put the root. Okay, root of here 10, 10 is common. So you take it out. So what is remaining here? 4, the minus 2. Okay. So root of 4 minus 2, 2 into 10. Okay. So here how can you write this? You know the formula. Root of AB equal to root A into root B. So like this we split this. So root 2 into root 10. Okay. So what is the root 2 values? Root 2 value 1.414 into root 10 value 3.162. Now you multiply this. Except a decimal, you take the number 1414 into 3162. Now multiply this. 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2. Next multiply with 6. 6 fours are 24. So 4 remaining 2. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 fours are 24. 4 remaining 2. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Now multiply with 1, 4, 1, 4, 1. Okay. Next multiply with 3. 3 fours are 12. 2 remaining 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 fours are 12. 2 remaining 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Now add this 8. 8, 4 plus 2, 6, 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. So 0 remaining 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 remaining 1, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 1, 17, 7 remaining 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4. Okay. So write the number 4471068. Now see the question. Here 3 decimal, 3 decimal. So 3 plus 3, 6 decimals we need to keep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you should keep the decimal. Okay. So but in the question correct to 3 places of decimal. So 3 places of decimal means we have to see the fourth place. The fourth place number is 5 or more than 5. We need to check. If it is 5 or more than 5, you should add 1 to the previous digit. Here this is less than 5. So you leave it this, just that number alone, 3 decimal place alone you write. 4.471. Suppose it is more than 5 means you should add 1 to this number. You understand, children? So what is the answer? 4.471. You understand, children? See the next question. Root of 300 plus root 90 minus root 8. First you split this. How do you split this 300? 3 into 100. 100 how can you split? 10 into 10 plus root of 90. How can you split this, children? 9 into 10. Okay. So 9 how do you split, children? 3 into 3 into 10 minus root 8. How do you split this? 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Here 2 tens are there. So take it out. 10 root 3 plus here 2 threes are there. Take it out. 3 root 10 minus here 2 twos are there. 2 root 2. Now you substitute the value. 10 into root 3 value 1.732 plus 3 into root 10 value 3.162 minus 2 into root 2 value 1.414. Now you multiply this. Multiply by 10, what you will do? This decimal place will move. Okay, how many places it will move? 1 places. So 17.32. While multiply with 10, what you will get? 17.32 plus multiply with 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 6 are 18. 8 remaining 1. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 4. 3 3s are 9. Okay, now here 3 decimals are there, just you keep it here. 9.486 minus 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Here 3 decimals are there, just you keep it here. Okay, so first we need to add these two numbers. How to add this? 17.32, 9.486. So here you put 0. Okay. So now you add it 6, 10, remaining 1, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 0.6, remaining 1, 2. So 26.806. 26.806 minus 2.828. Okay. Now we should add this. First we added, then next what you want to do? We have to subtract. Okay. So 26.806 minus 2.828. 6 minus 8 we can't do, so borrow. So it becomes 7. It becomes 10. After that you get 1 from this number. So it becomes 9. Becomes 16. 16 minus 8, 8. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 minus 8 we can't do. So borrow this. It becomes 17. 17 minus 8, 9. 5 minus 2, 3, 2. So what is the answer? 23.978. Sorry, this 978. Okay. Here how many decimals are there? Here 3 decimals are there. Okay, so what is the answer? In the question itself they mentioned 3 decimal only, so it is already 3 decimal, so leave it this. So what is the answer? 23.978. What is the answer, children? 23.978. Do you understand, children? Thank you, children.